Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious lemonade. It's a yellow melon lemonade that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this refreshing lemonade, these are the ingredients. I have water, a pinch of salt, granulated sugar, lemon, and of course our yellow lemon. Nice and small, nice and juicy and delicious. So let's get started. Of course, I want to start first here making my simple syrup, and I'm using 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. I am going to take it to the stove, let the water boil until the sugar has dissolved completely, and then I am going to let it rest to room temperature before I use it in this amazing and delicious, refreshing yellow melon lemonade. But here I want to show you my organic lemons. They are from my garden, from my tree, lemon tree, and they are small, but believe me, they are very juicy and delicious. Well, here I'm gonna continue slicing them and getting all that amazing juice out of them. Making these lemonades at home, you have control of how much sugar your family is drinking. And of course, when you make it with love, and I'm sure your lemonades are going to come out amazing. And with this little gadget, of course, I'm getting all the juice out of the lemons. Look at this. You don't leave anything behind with this little gadget. It gets all the pulp, all the juice out of the lemons. This is the part that takes longer, getting the juice out of the lemons. But it's so hot here in California that I am sure I'm really going to enjoy and refresh myself with this amazing yellow melon lemonade. Look at this. I'm going to continue getting the rest of the juice. I have 1 whole cup of juice, of lemon juice, and of course I took out the seeds, but I'm using the pulp and I'm using the juice of the lemon. Look at this. I love making my homemade lemonades because I have control of what kind of sugar I'm going to add and how much sugar I am going to add. And here I have my small yellow melon. I'm going to slice the edges. I'm going to cut it through the center. And of course, I am going to remove all the seeds. Look at this. This yellow melon, it's small, but it's really juicy and it has a lot of pulp. So I'm going to go ahead, help myself with the spoon and get all the seeds out of this yellow melon. Look at this. I'm going to take the skin off, being very careful that I only remove the skin and not the pulp of the yellow melon. When you cut it open, you could really smell the aroma of the melon. It's very penetrating and it's very juicy. Well, here I'm going to get the skin out very carefully, and I'm going to reserve it because I want to save it for the decoration of my picture. I'm going to go ahead, slice it in little squares, and then of course I am ready to transfer it to the blender. I'm going to transfer everything into the blender, and to this I am going to add some water. I'm going to add my pinch of salt. Remember that it's very important to add a very small pinch of salt because that's going to raise the flavors of the fruit, but yet it's going to relax a little bit the acidity of the lemons. So that's why I add the pinch of salt. And here I'm blending. I'm not going to put it through a sifter. I'm going to leave it just as it comes out. With the NutriBullet, of course, it blends really good. You're not going to see any pieces, large pieces in there. But here I am ready to transfer to this glass bowl where I'm going to add the lemon juice, extra water, and the simple syrup. I want to tell you, remember that I use 1 cup of simple syrup, but I'm not using the whole cup in this recipe. It's your choice how much sweetness you want to add to your lemonade. I only add a splash and then I taste it. And if it needs a little more syrup, then I add a little more syrup. Look at this. Now I'm ready to just add some regular water and of course add a lot of ice to my pitcher. This is what's going to make it nice and refreshing. And of course it's going to really relax me because it's so hot here that is just unbelievable. Look at this. If you liked this video, please leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, share this video on social media so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. And thank you so much for being part of my family. I am ready for the presentation, so I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing yellow melon lemonade that I know you are going to love. Tasting my recipes. Nice and hot here in California, and of course, I'm going to taste it. Let's see how it came out. The flavor of the yellow melon, just amazing. Perfection made at home. I hope, my friends, you can make this delicious and amazing yellow melon lemonade. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing yellow melon. See you soon. Bye-bye.